In this video, we will see how to fix default gateway is not available network error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And basically, it is a network related error. And to fix, the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Device manager windows will now open. Here go to network adapter section. Expand network adapter section. Right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. The base driver for your device are already installed. This such type of message appear on your screen. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to device manager windows. Expand network adapter drivers. And same process, right click on network adapter driver and choose properties. A properties windows will open now. Here from the top menu bar, go to power management. Click on power management and uncheck the box against allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and OK to save the changes, and check whether your network adapter error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Clean boot your system. Simply right click on a start button and select run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type msconfig, msconfig, and click on OK. System configuration window will open now. Here from the top menu bar, go to boot section first and make the check against option safe boot and minimal. Thereafter go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services. And finally click on disable all. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar. Open task manager, click on it. Task manager window will open now. Startup apps. Here look for all the enabled startup apps. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all the startup apps on your system. Look for that one by one. And after that, close the task manager window and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. And you must restart your system. Don't forget to restart your system. And check whether your half gateway, network gateway available error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings by pressing right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to network and internet. Thereafter go to right side and you will find the option VPN. Click on VPN and disable all the VPN connection. If you have added any VPN connection, allow VPN over metered connection, allow VPN while roaming, disable VPN or remove VPN if you have already added to your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and in command prompt windows execute the following command as shown on a screen: ipconfig flushdns, ipconfig registerdns, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew, and winsock reset. Execute all these 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in your command prompt windows. It will take some time. Once completed, close the windows and don't forget to restart your system. Your error, network error, definitely be resolved. That's all.